Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2010 BMW R1200RT. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2010 BMW R1200RT with 29,585 miles comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, an electronic windshield, an intercom, and TPMS. It's been upgraded with a remus muffler and a BMW top case. Powered by an 1170cc flat twin boxer engine, the R1200RT puts 110 horsepower and 85 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel capacity, the R1200RT has a 250 to 300-mile range. It has a 33-inch seat height and a 571-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this R1200RT will need the check engine light alert addressed. Please expand and read the mechanical condition report for a full list of concerns. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that it runs properly, but it starts rough when cold. The timing cover is seeping and the preload adjustment is inoperable. The check engine light is on. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scrape on the engine, scratches on the saddlebag. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 1 key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.